Man, oh man, boy, do I have a lot to tell you guys. For the next 30 days, I will be your dropshipping mentor so that you can get your Shopify business up and running in 2021. Every single day, there will be a new video going over various topics within your e-commerce business. And this dropshipping course is 100% free. Yes, 100% free, and will be filled with value-packed information that other gurus are charging you thousands and thousands of dollars for. So feel free to copy every single thing I am about to teach you. Oh, and don't feel bad at all, because there are others of mine that have replicated everything that I am about to teach you. No matter if you're a beginner or an advanced business owner, I got you. I will be getting you from point A to Z in literally 30 days, from finding a winning product to creating a successful Facebook ad campaign. So do me a favor and make sure you like this video and prepare for what's to come. So without further ado, guys, let's create our Shopify website right now. All right, so welcome to another video in the 2021 free Shopify dropshipping course in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to find your video ads to test your products. Now, before we actually begin, guys, if you can do me a favor and destroy the like button. I'm dropping content for free on my channel, and so if you guys can show your appreciation and destroy the like button, that'll be greatly appreciated. And also, I have created a free mastermind group that you guys can join in the link in the description. It's absolutely free. I'm going to be tutoring you guys, doing website audits, giving you guys tips, doing lives, all that cool stuff. You guys can access that in the link in the description. And without further ado, guys, let's continue into this course segment in the free Shopify dropshipping course. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is find your video that you're going to be testing for your Facebook ads. So you're going to be typing in your product onto Facebook. In this case, I'm looking for the octopus plush toy, and you're going to go into videos in the left-hand side. Once you type in videos, you're simply just going to scroll and look for a video that has a whole bunch of views and is doing very well. The whole point, guys, with doing this tactic is to save time, energy, and money. So with time, you're not going out there and creating your own video ads. You're not going out there editing videos and wasting time when you don't know if that product is going to do well for you. You're saving energy and stress because you're not going out there worrying about all these different components within your video ad. And you're saving money because at the end of the day, I've been seeing a whole bunch of softwares popping up left and right telling you these are the ads that you need to be running. These are the captions you need to be writing and all this other stuff. And so if you're going out there purchasing these softwares for $50, $200, it's not really worth it if at the end result you don't get success within that product. So you need to be testing videos that are proven to do well. You guys should already know by now, I keep it real on this channel, especially in this free Shopify dropshipping course, guys. All these videos and photos that you see on Facebook, they're all non-copywritten videos. A lot of them are. And so once you scroll and you look through these, a lot of them are dropshippers. A lot of these dropshippers, they reuse other people's content. And so it's okay for you to test out these products with these videos. Remember, do not waste time, energy, and money whenever you're testing your products. And so we're gonna look through these videos. You see one with 5,000 views, 1.7 thousand views, 300,000 views. This is the most popular one. And so I don't really see any logos or anything like that. I do see a little watermark. It's okay to use this particular video. I mean, I don't think customers are really going to pay attention to that. So I think this is a really nice video that you can download. So you're going to go to a website called getfvid.com, or you can go to fbdown.net. I've used this website for many years, and so you guys can just simply paste the link into either one of them. I'll leave both of them in the link in the description. You hit download. Once you hit download, then you can download the normal quality or the HD quality. Always get the HD quality, guys. Once that happens, you right click it and download video. So very simple. And now you can use that video to post on your page, which I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do that. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to upload this video onto your Facebook page. So you're going to go to your Facebook page and select create post. You're going to upload that particular video. So in this section, you're going to fill out some key information. You're just going to name your product. Then you're going to scroll down and select a thumbnail. Whenever you select your thumbnail, I recommend not to use text in there. So what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to go to your video that you downloaded and you're going to just look for a particular clip that's eye-catching, like this one, and you're just going to screenshot it. So you're going to screenshot it right there, and then you're going to go into Canva and you're going to type in Instagram post. So once you type in Instagram post, you're going to get a blank template and you're going to upload that particular photo into here. So once you upload that photo, you're going to simply just make it bigger to where they can see it, nice and simple. And this could be really eye-catching. And so you're going to download that. Once you hit download, you're going to upload that thumbnail onto here. Once you upload that thumbnail, it should be nice and ready to go. No text, otherwise Facebook will limit your reach, and it's a very eye-catching thumbnail. So you're gonna go back into details, and now what we wanna do is create our caption. All right, so let's talk about ad copy. The number one goal that you should be focusing on whenever you're testing your products is getting clicks. That's the key word, clicks. If you're not getting clicks, how are other people going to purchase your product? If your goal is to get sales from day number one, you're not doing it right. You're not going to be as successful as somebody that's focusing on getting that click. Once you get them onto your website, then you have the opportunity for that customer to purchase your product. Another thing, whenever people are on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, they're not there to buy anything. They don't have the idea of logging onto their phone, going on Instagram and buying something. They're simply just there to enjoy their time. And so your ad copy needs to blend in with the feed. So when you write your ad, you're not out there saying buy now or shop now or doing all this extra stuff. You don't need to do that. You let the video do the selling. You let the ad copy do the selling. So for your actual caption, you want to keep it as simple as possible. The whole main goal is to get clicks and make your video go viral. Let your video do the selling. So we're gonna make a simple 1 sentence to 2 sentence about the product. And so we're going to just simply just say, express your emotions in a fun way. ... www.toybot.com. Put your Shopify store, and it's very simple. It's not saying shop now, buy now, do this. Like I said, your main goal is to make that video go viral and get that click. You have to understand the customer's journey. They've never seen your website before. They've never seen maybe this product before. And so what you're saying is express your emotion in a fun way. Okay, what do they mean by that? All right, so I'm gonna watch the video. Once they watch that video, then they can see the particular item, and then they see that you have a link to your store, and so they will click that link, and then they can have the opportunity to purchase your product. That's the whole goal of this. You want to make it as simple as possible. So you're gonna hit next, and you're going to publish it on your page. So another thing that I want you guys to understand while this video is publishing is that this video tactic is allowing you to get a lot of engagement. It's very cheap nowadays to run videos on Facebook. That's what they love. They love video content. And so allowing you to let your video go viral, you have the opportunity to retarget all those other guys that have engaged with your video. And then number two, that video is more engaging than photos. Photos is just, they see an image, they scroll past it, whatever the case may be. You want to get as much engagement as much as possible, guys. And lastly, the first 3 to 10 seconds of your video is going to catch a user's attention. Once they're hooked, they're gonna watch all that video or even click that link and buy your product. Just remember, guys, whenever you're testing out your products, keep it as simple as possible. This video is step by step. Go out there, type your product onto Facebook, look for that particular product, go out there and download that video, then make your thumbnail and then upload that thumbnail and make a post of your video, and keep your caption simple so that you can go viral, because that video has already proven to go viral. So if you keep it simple and you make people watch and engage your video, then they can have more reach, and then more people can click and go to your website and purchase your product. Very simple, guys. In my next couple of videos in this free Shopify dropshipping course, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to test out your products. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like the video if you did, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified for all the videos in the future. And also make sure you join the free mastermind group in the link in the description. And it's been another video in the Ecom Lab. I will see you guys in the next segment in this free Shopify dropshipping course of 2021.